Okay, students, so this question, it says find a point on x-axis, okay, which is equidistant from 7,6 and minus 3,4. All right, so we see that this point is situated where? It is situated on the x-axis. Okay, so we need to find this one point which is situated on the x-axis, and this point, it is equidistant from these 2 points. Okay, so I hope you know what is the meaning of equidistant. Okay, well, now you're well familiar, or you're aware of this term equidistant. So we will solve this question again by using the distance formula. All right, okay, so let's say A, this point is A, okay, and then B, the point B will be minus 3,4, and this, and it is equidistant, this point on x-axis, no, it is equidistant from these 2 points A and B. Okay, so the point on x-axis should also be there, right? So the point on x-axis, let's say it is P, and then it will be what? X comma 0. Why x comma 0? Because it is a point on x-axis, therefore there is the coordinate is x, and then but then the y, there will be no y, no coordinate. Okay, no no point on y-axis. That's why in the y coordinate it is 0. There is no point on the y-axis, therefore on the y coordinate the value is 0, because it is just a point on what? On the x-axis. Okay, so we have the abscissa is x and the coordinate is 0. Okay, the ordinate is 0. All right, so we will solve this. Okay, now we will use again, since PA is equal to PB square. Okay, we will use this formula. All right, so therefore square root x2 minus x1 whole thing square plus y2 minus y1 whole thing square should be equal to, again, for PB square, so it will be x2 minus x1 whole thing square plus y2 minus y1 whole thing square. Okay, so what will we have now? All right, so let's remove the square root and square root. So the square root and the square root from the left hand side and the right hand side, we can remove this. Okay, so now what we have x2 minus x1 whole thing square. So what is x2 minus x1? x2 will be x minus x1 will be 7, because it is PA, right? So you have to take the points of P and that of A. Okay, the coordinates of P and coordinates of point A. So it is x minus 7 whole thing square plus 0 minus 6 whole thing square. Okay, so it will be equal to x minus 3 whole thing square plus 0 minus 4 whole thing square. Okay, so here you get this identity. It is x minus 7 whole thing square, which is like the identity of a minus b whole thing square. Okay, so for a minus b whole thing square, what can you write? The identity will be a square plus b square minus 2ab, right? So we can write a square plus b square minus twice ab. Okay, and here also you will get a minus b whole thing square, so it will be a square minus twice ab plus b square. Okay, so here in the left hand side, in the right hand side, it will become x. Okay, minus into minus, you can write plus 3 whole thing square, and then here also 0 minus 4 whole thing square. Okay, all right, let's solve this. So here what you will get x square plus 7 square is 49. Okay, minus 2x 7, it will be 14x plus 0 minus 2 into 6 will be 12. 12 into 0, it will be 0 only, right? So plus 0 plus 6 square will be, okay, plus 6 square will be 36. Okay, 36. So it equals a plus b whole thing square. The identity here, you get a plus b whole thing square. So you know what's the identity of a plus b whole thing square? You will get a square plus b square, right? A square plus b square plus twice a b, okay, plus twice ab, and then plus, now we'll solve this also. So what you will get for this one, it will become 0 square minus 2ab, okay, minus twice a b plus b square, which is 4 is like your b, okay, b square. So that is how we'll get. All right, so here let us cancel x square from left hand side and the x square from the right hand side, okay, and then what we will get here, so 49 plus 36, this will give us 49 plus 36, this will give us 85 minus 14x, okay, 85 minus 14x, that is your left hand side value. So it will be equal to 3 square will give us 9 plus 2 into 3 will be 6x plus, here we will get 2 into 4, right? So this one we got, okay, 6x plus plus 8x, okay, so here will be 2x into 3, so you get 6x, okay, but 0 square will be 0, and then here 2 into 0 is 0, so 0 into 4 will be 0, okay, so here will be, we don't have to write because we get 0 plus 4 square, 4 square will give us plus 16, okay, plus 16, so that is our value, okay. So and then, so we will get here minus 14x, bring 6x to the left hand side, minus 6x will be equal to 9 plus 16, it will give us 25, so 25 minus 85, okay, so this will give us so this one will give us 16 minus, okay, 19, sorry, this is 14, right? Okay, so this one is 14, so minus 14 and minus 6x will give us minus 20x is equal to minus 60, okay, minus 60. So here we'll give x, it will x, we will get minus 60 over minus 20, cancel the 0, cancel the 0 and the minus, so you will get 2 3 is a 6, so therefore x is equal to 3, okay. So what are the points? So for p, x is how much? Your x will be 3 and your y is 0, so this is the point for p, okay. So this point, that means this point p, it is equal, it is same distance from pa is equal to pb, the distance is same, okay, having this value of p, okay, p should be 3 comma 0, then it will be same distance from p to a and p to b, okay.